Got to take the main belt off. It is. Tensioner's right down in there. You can get it with a 15mm. There's the tensioner. It's locked up. That's common. Once the skid plate's out of the way, you can see it. Right there. Two 15mm bolts. Done got the new one in. Pull the outer belt back out of the way. Slide that belt back around. 3/8 drive ratchet for the tensioner. Then take your 15mm and put your top main, you can see down through there. Put your main belt back on. Make sure it's around everything correctly. Start it up and verify everything's working. I will tag a tensioner and a belt in this video. Thanks for watching.